Redis sets are not just storage, they come with built-in math. In this video you will learn how to intersect, union, and diff sets, and what to watch for when reviewing code that uses them. Whenever your application logic sounds like, find users who have both of these tags, or, what permissions does this role not share with another, that is a signal to reach for Redis set operations instead of doing the work in application code. Under the hood, Redis stores set members in a hash table, giving you constant time membership checks. Set operations walk every member once, so their cost scales with the total number of members across all input sets, not the size of your key space. Watch how SINTER returns only 2 and 3. SUNION gives us every unique value, and SDIFF flips depending on argument order. The SINTER store variant persists the result, so you can run subsequent commands against it without recomputing. When reviewing a pull request, check that set math stays on the Redis server, that any stored result key has a TTL, that SDIFF arguments are in the correct order, and that SMEMBERS is never called on a set that can grow without limit. Redis set operations move the logic off your application server and onto the data. Keep the math server side, expire your stored results, and watch that argument order on SDIFF, and you will be well equipped to review any PR using these commands.